So I have a blue back bicycle cards here. So these are the cards. Oh, let me just get the 4 5s. There's 5 of clubs, the 5 of spades, the 5 of diamonds, and of course the 5 of hearts. So these are the 4 5s. We just put that here. So here, the 5 of clubs, the 5 of spades, the 5 of diamonds, and of course the 5 of hearts. When you revolve it around my hand and snap, watch, the 5 of spades, the 5 of hearts. Oh, the 5 of clubs revolve, it flipped, it turned over. Watch again. As I revolve it and I snap, the 5 of diamonds, clubs. Oh, the spades is now missing. Let me do that one more time. So revolve and snap, the 5 of hearts, spades. Oh, it's the diamonds that's gone. One last time. Let's do this. Revolve and snap, 5 of clubs, diamonds. Oh, it's the hearts. It's missing. Let's check it out. It's the 5 of hearts. Now let's put back the 5 of hearts back in the pocket. And I just snap. It's the 5 of diamonds, the 5 of clubs, the 5 of spades, the 5 of hearts. Woo! It suddenly becomes, oh, it became red. 4 5s became red. And oh, how about the deck here? It's blue. Watch the deck. As I rub it, also became red. And all the cards, the deck is red. Thank you very much.